On today's episode of Support a Senior, Merc came over. He brought his polishing stuff and a bucket I filled with water. So he's going to wash this while I'm under the car, so that'll be awesome. Then he's going to start to polish this thing and bring it back to life. He promised it would be like factory or better. And if I'm not happy with it, he'll paint it for free, do all the body work and everything. So I don't know, you might get some, everyone wants more myrrh. After this video, you're going to feel like I do, and you've had enough myrrh, and you're ready for less myrrh. So we'll let him get kind of started. We'll probably set the GoPro up on, I got a fancy new tripod over there. So we'll try that. He'll start polishing back to its original mintiness. I don't know, I like how it looks when it's kind of polished down like that, and kind of like this. But it's real rough here, which is lame. Hopefully he'll take care of that for me. And then at the front, where it's all kind of flaky, I want him to make that nice. And then hopefully, this is his goal, is to match that color. So he's gonna earn what I'm paying him, and a little bit of quality time. Let's get after it.
This is.
So Mer's working away. I'll show the camera. There's like a little something on top, where there's another layer of paint or something's fallen on it. But actually, what the blue shines up real nice, like the green, I should say. The part that is shiny isn't bad, but there's junk all over. He tried sanding it. It's hard. I think it's just another layer of paint. Like some farmer painted it with like house paint.
It could be latex or something like that, but it's nothing that'll dissolve with reducer. So
we try the reducer and stuff. We got to find what'll go on there. What I got on the thing, but he's gonna keep polishing away. You got to polish the green. See how the green comes out. There's no junk on the green. You want me to get your old man stool with roll around wheels? The back's turned out fantastic, I think anyways. I like it. And now he's just complaining because of all the fresh paint. He doesn't want to destroy all my hard work. Which I, of course, told him, burn right through it. Nobody cares. But sure is coming back. Worth every penny. Yeah, well, back to work.
Jawohl.
Look at the progress Murr's making. So this down here is what I painted. And look at the match. It's doing pretty good. And I mean, that's what it was, right? So it's a little bit of polish makes a world of difference. And you can sure see the difference in these two, a little bit of shine. It's too bad there's all that junk up here. Like it's
Old tar or something like that.
something on there, yeah, but the bottom green will come out real nice. There's nothing really on it. And this door doesn't have too much, a little bit, John. Yeah, I think it'll, even if it just looks like that, that's fine. I'm happy with it. Hopefully I can finish off this junk in the front. We can put the front clip on
Ooh, boy.
next couple of days.
Heavy lifting. I love it.
So Murr's been polishing away. It looks like a different car. Like, it looks really good on video, Murr. Just look at it through the viewfinder. Look at that. Much
Oh
better
yeah.
looks-
Oh, it looks much better on
It
video.
looks much better video than his shoddy in-person work. I'm impressed. No, I love it. He's going by hand on here. I think he's giving her too hard. But if we can make the car look like that, I think it's a huge win. Like, Now I hate this color. I actually kind of liked it, but now it's good. You gotta polish the rust. You didn't polish the rust though.
Huh.
Lazy. But are you done, or you keep going? Keep going tonight.
Oh, I'm not done yet.
Oh, okay. You gonna finish the door before you leave?
I'll get on that. Yeah.
If you want your can of beans for dinner.
Ooh, beans.
So Mer's gonna give her on that. I've been carrying around on motor stuff, but I'm hoping if he can get that done, and I can get my my part done, at some point we'll put the front clip on.
It'll be just like plywood. Good one side only.
One side's good. It's no big deal. It's good for driveways. All right. Well, wow, that looks really good. I'll get back to my job and put her back in the stocks. Well, Mer managed to polish off the one side. He's got a little more work doing the top of that door. And we gotta do a little research. There's something on here, tree sap or something. Like this door didn't have very much of it. So you can also see it's a different color because it's got a coating on it. Because it doesn't have it around the door. You can kind of, or on the lock. But we're tapping out for tonight. Well, Mer is. He's old, eh? He needs his rest. But I think he's coming back tomorrow. He's coming back tomorrow. And he's going to keep giving her and see what we can accomplish. And I'm going to keep doing mine on another video, which you guys will probably see before this, or have seen already. But I want to be able to put the front clip on, and then we can do that fender. So it'll be good one side. Hammer?
Yeah.
You got nothing else going on, eh?
I have no life.
Make sure you comment if you want to see more Mer. Mer's expensive. He's hard to get here. You got to book him weeks in advance. Easier to get Motley Crue.
But he works cheap.
Yeah, he works cheap. See you guys tomorrow. Alright, so next day, Mer's here. We got the front clip on. That was on my video I was working on. So he's been screwing around. He brought, I don't even know, the kitchen. Oh, he brought Simply Juice to put on it. Obviously, that works. He's been trying to get the junk off. He kind of broke down, started doing a little bit of kind of light wet sanding and stuff. But it's got that 3D look. But I think today he's been pissed around there. He's gonna do the fender, which is a lot of nice paint on that front fender. So we'll see what he can do and kind of break down some of the real ugly patina stuff. And you can do the back too, or what? Where the rust is?
Sure.
Might as well polish that. So that way we'll have the whole car polished. So you guys by this time have seen the other side, the car's down on wheels and all that. But we're still in YouTube land, hasn't been done yet. So it looks pretty good. So he's going to polish that up. I'll set the camera up. He's just working so fast. I'm trying to find mounts. Jeez, these old guys, eh? Alright, give me 10 seconds and we'll start going, Mer. Well, Mur the detailer has done his due diligence. Look at that. That car looks, he's not happy with the fender, but unfortunately there's not much we can do. I think it looks, I don't know, my standards are so low, we gotta wash the roof and all that. We still have the other side to do. But this is kind of, I think, what it would look like if we give it a coat of matte clear, eh, Mur?
Yeah, that's...
Which I think it needs. When you compare it to that side, oh, I was fine with this. I thought this looked good. He won't stop, look at him. It's earning every last dollar. But that's really this. There was a lot of time lapse in this one, but thank you, Mur. Appreciate it. The people love seeing Mur. Leave a comment, more Mur if you want to see him. And if you want to see the other side done, let us know. Otherwise, I think he'll just do it on his spare time. I'll leave the garage unlocked one day while I go to work and keep it about, what, 8 degrees? Keep you motivated. But that's where we're leaving it. That's where this video is going to end. Thank you very much for watching. As always, subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends. Leave Mur a comment. Thank him for me because he deserves it. Alright, see you in the next video.